video, I will show you how anyone can start to make money in 2025, whether you're a teenager in your 20s, your 40s, or even beyond. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Miriam, and today we're talking about how to make money irrespective of your age, whether you're 13 years old or you're even 60 years old. Yes, if that's something interested in, keep on watching all the way. And I also have a giveaway, yes, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. In today's video, I will show you how to make money online at any age in 2025. Guys, one thing you should know is that the internet is packed with opportunities, and I'm here to break down the best ones that are perfect for any age. So let's get started. Now, the first one on my list here is to earn with your skills. Yes, first up, freelancing. So whether you're 18 or you're retired, freelancing is for everyone. There are websites like Fiverr or Upwork that lets you offer services like writing, like graphic design, like video editing, or even social media management. You can start as young as 13 with parental consent. Don't worry, if you don't have expert level skills, just start with basic skills and build your experience and watch the money rolling. The next one on my list here is through content creation. Guys, YouTube is here, TikTok is here. Yes, age 13 and above, you can do content creation and share what you love. Guys, content creation, if you are into making videos or you just love sharing your thoughts, start a YouTube channel or a TikTok account. You can start earning through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and even affiliate marketing. No matter your age, guess what? People are looking for content creators that they can relate to. So whether you're 15 years old or you're 50 years old, there's an audience for you. The next one on my list here is through online tutoring. Guys, do you know you can teach what you know? There are platforms like Check Tutors or Preply. Guys, just so you know, online tutoring is a great option for anyone with expertise in a subject. There are platforms like Check Tutors or Preply that allows you to teach students around the world in subjects like maths, science, languages, and so much more. You can do this at your own pace and from the comfort of your home. The next one here is print on demand from age 16 plus. You can create and sell your custom merch. Yes, there are websites like Redbubble or Teespring. Print on demand lets you design custom products like t-shirts, like mugs, like phone cases without handling inventory. I've told you this site, Redbubble, Teespring, they take care of production and shipping, and you earn a commission on every sale. The next one here is drop shipping. Yes, sell products without inventory. You can use Shopify or WooCommerce. With drop shipping, you can start an online store without holding any inventory. Once someone places an order on your Shopify store, your supplier ships it directly to the customer. This is a low risk way to start an online business at any age. The next one on my list here is affiliate marketing. Guys, do you know that you can earn just by promoting products? Yes, so you can use Amazon Associates or even ClickBank. Affiliate marketing, just so you know, is another awesome way to make money online. You can promote products that you love, and when someone buys using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. You can share your links on blogs, YouTube, or even on your social media. Many affiliate programs are free to join, and you can start as young as 16. Do you also know that you can sell digital products? Yes, from age 16 and above. Guys, selling digital products, you can make it once and sell it forever. There are platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Digital products like ebooks, templates, or art prints, they're a great way to make money online with little ongoing effort. There are platforms like Etsy or Gumroad that allows you to upload your products once and sell it over and over. So whether you're a tech savvy or you're a creative soul, digital products can earn passive income at any age. The next one here is survey sites. Guys, you can get paid for your own opinions. Now, there are websites like Swagbox or Survey Junkie. If you're looking for something even simpler, there are survey sites that pay you for sharing your opinions. Yes, sites like Swagbox will help you. Yes, Inbox Dollars, they allow you to earn gift cards or cash by answering surveys. I'm going to be sharing a lot of opportunities with you guys on this channel. So you see, it is perfect for even younger audiences, and you can start to earn on this site as early as 13 years old. You can also become a virtual assistant. Yes, as a virtual assistant, you help businesses and you earn at the same time. There are management apps like Trello. As a virtual assistant, you can help, other businesses or entrepreneurs with tasks like managing their emails, scheduling on social media. It is a flexible job that you can do from anywhere, and it is perfect if you want steady part-time work. The next one here is podcasting, 16 years and above. You can share your voice and earn money while at it. Podcasting is booming and anyone can start one in 2025. Share your opinions, tell stories, or interview interesting people. Once you grow your audience, you can earn through sponsorships and listener donations. You can also start testing websites and apps, yes, from age 16 and above. Guys, you can get paid to test usability. I'm telling you, there are websites like trymyui.com. You can get paid to test websites and apps, and companies want real user feedback, and you can earn cash by trying out new platforms and sharing your thoughts. Now the next thing is for you to write and sell articles from age 16 and above. You see, I've got you guys. You can write and sell articles on different platforms like Medium or vocal.com. I mean, do you love writing? There are websites like Medium and Vocal that pay you for your articles if your writing gets enough money through their partner programs. The next one here is online courses. You can start from age 18 and above. Online courses is one great way to make money. You can teach your skills and earn while at it. There are platforms like udemy.com or teachable.com. So if you have expertise in a certain area, create an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, then share your knowledge with the world and earn passive income whenever anyone enrolls. Another way to make money is by renting out your assets, yes, from 18 and above. You can rent out your asset, make money with what you already own. There are websites like Turo, like Airbnb. If you have a spare car, a spare room, or a camera gear, rent it out. Sites like Turo for cars, Airbnb for homes, they let you earn money from things that you already own. Now you can also invest in cryptocurrency or stocks from age 18 and above. Do you know that you can grow your money with crypto trading platforms? Investing is not just for the pros anymore. There are apps like Robinhood or Coinbase. You can start investing in stocks or crypto at any age and let your money work for you over time from age 18 and above. Now, guys, there you have it. No matter how old you are, there is always a way for you to make money online in 2025. So whether you're into freelancing, content creation, or something as simple as taking surveys, there is something out there for everyone. And if you found this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more money making tips, and let me know in the comments which of these methods you're going to be trying out first. Now we have come to the segment you've all have been waiting for. I'll be giving away $100 cash gifts. Yes, I'll be giving away $100 cash gifts right here. So all you need to do to get this cash from me is to go ahead and join my Telegram community. Yes, go ahead and join my Telegram community and then add 50 of your friends into my Telegram group. When you do that, then I'm going to send you $100 cash. Yes, so as you can see, besties, go ahead and add your friends to my Telegram community and I will send you $100 cash gifts. Send my link to 500 people or 1,000 people. If 5% of 1,000 people join, that's 50. And if you have more people join, the more the better for you. So come back to this video after you have added your people to my Telegram community. Come back to this video, let me know how many people you've added. Let me know in the comment section, and then I will request for your email. I'll send you an email and request for your ID or verification, and then I will send you this cash. It's for you. It's here, but it's for you. It's waiting for you. So go ahead and start adding your friends into my Telegram community and I will send you this money. So guys, that is it for today. If you're watching my video today, can translate into you making a quick $100. So guys, I will see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am so proud of you. Quick one, if you'd like to book a free consultation with me, whether you want to, it's about grants, we can talk about grants, money, business, and everything in between. You can join my Patreon community. Yes, go ahead and join my Patreon community or even my channel membership. And of course, you're on your way to making good money. Here we spill the tea and we are sharing good news. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, and bye for now. I love you all.